Monster Truck Mayor. Wow, check out the size of that monster truck. Shoot, it does that. That is a rescue truck's bigger than that. What? No way. Yes, way. Hello, stories of monster truck rescue. Ladies and driver cars, introducing the Tormentor. Excuse me, it's too late. Who wants an ice cream? The ice creamer! Yay! I'm gonna make a scream. Ah! Ding ding! Yeah! Oh, where do I go? Excuse me, sir. Huh? Didn't want to do some ice cream? Oh, sure. Just wait a part of the feature. Huh? Whoa! 1, 2, 3, the winner. And that's the something. Go green the 20. I'll get the 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. The winner. Oh, what's I calling it? It was the socket of the tree block. Let me drop it now. 1, 2, 3. The winner. Who been jotted now? Oh, Dr. Feelbad. The next starter to the hospital. Whoa. Don't worry, honey, some flowers. Wow. Oh, we gotta hurt. And there's just basement with the bill. 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm trying to come to me, sister dash. Here comes another switch. 4, 9, 9. Ew, you got peeve. That's what it's called for the patio. Daddy-o. 1, 2, 3. You walk, man. Woohoo. And now, I'm on win. 4. About 2. 1 of them. Oh, Caesar, sister. The Tormentor. Woohoo! Go get a mentor. Go Tormentor. And number 1 champion. He's okay. There it is. Monster. He just survived. I did. What did you do? Don't get your hand done. And where's that tag tin? Ding! Tag correct. What? Yes, it is. Oh, wheel. You want to kick him? Oh, quit. Tell me. Tag. Ah. Gotcha. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. The winners, the Tormentor, and yeah. What's your name, son? My name is McQueen. And Fortnite McQueen. Oh, please. I can't believe it. The Tormentor. I can do the spin fence, man. Get his autograph. Of course I can. Oh, I don't want this corridor again. Wait, don't you want his autograph? That's sweet. Serious. That's right. My God, Check it. Bum, 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 bum.